Hello, this is Celia from ST Math, and I'm pleased to share this mini webinar with you. This is the fourth in a series of webinars designed to help you navigate ST Math as you work with your students and their families remotely. In this webinar, I'll share with you some strategies and resources that you might use to extend your students' learning as they use ST Math at home. Sometimes you might have a student or the student's family ask you, what else can we do with ST Math? Or maybe you want to know what you can use to extend your students' learning. ST Math has so many great resources. I'm only able to share a few of them with you here today, but I do want you to keep in mind there's so much more available to you. We even have a really great teacher guide that's going to be coming out soon. I will share with you how you can get to these resources a little bit later in this webinar. If you attended one of our earlier webinars, you may remember that we brought up the topic of math journaling. Research suggests math journals are an excellent way for students to demonstrate their understanding of math concepts. I'm going to share a few of them with you to give you an idea of how you might use them or what you can do with your students. This first journal focuses on the student's math objective. With this particular journal, the student is going to describe, illustrate, name, and connect a math concept that they've just learned. And you can use this particular journal with any grade level that you might work with. The second journal I'm showing you is designed for our middle school students. It gives our older kids the opportunity to focus on their progress. They can reflect upon their learning as well as make some connections to what they already know. This journal is also appropriate for any grade level, and it is our weekly math journal. This journal requires the student to fill in one box per day. They're able to reflect and make some connections to what they're learning through the use of this particular journal. We also have game mats available to you as a resource. This is where students can use these game mats to either manually play a particular puzzle that they're working on, or they can use it to help them figure out the puzzle that they're working on. I'm showing you just two of what is available, but there are many, many more that you can access. And to get to these resources, you're going to go to stmath.com/central. From this page, you want to choose whatever your role is. So for example, if you are a brand new user, you'll be a new teacher user. If you are a teacher who's used ST Math for a while, you'll choose current users teaching remotely. When you click on your role, it's going to take you to another page. You can see that there's a lot of information on this page and you are free to explore. But if you want to get to the particular resources, you're going to want to look over on the right side of your screen underneath ST Math Help and look for printables. Once you click into that, you'll see all of the resources that are there. However, you might have noticed that there is a tab where you can click on to get information about helping your students remotely. You can also get to ST Math Central by signing in to your ST Math Teacher Console, and down in the right corner, you're going to see ST Math Central. Click on that and it will take you to the resources that we were just looking at. You can also sign in to your Teacher Console to extend your students' learning by turning on what is called optional objectives. With the optional objectives, you're going to access those by clicking on Curriculum up at the top of the page and then choosing the tab that says Optional Objectives. These do not impact your students' overall syllabus progress, and they're not part of your students' original journey, but they do have the same rigor as the objectives that are part of your students' math journey. If you would like to explore more about what you can do with ST Math, We have free national webinars available that you can find and sign up for at ST Math Central. You can also search for other webinars that are on YouTube by searching ST Math as your keyword. And then we have self-guided online courses, and I recommend that you do these. They are a refresher that you can complete on their own. They're free and they're self-paced. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn more about ST Math. Keep in mind that you can contact us at any time, either through our support email or our toll-free number. There's somebody there to answer your call from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Know that the whole team is here to help, and feel free to reach out to us should you ever need any type of assistance. We're happy to help.